Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can blur face in CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to open up my project. For example, I'm going to blur this man's face. If you want to blur a face, we need to duplicate our video first. We can tap on our video and then scroll all the way to the right until we find the duplicate option. This one guys, and we're going to make it as an overlay, so I'm going to select overlay. Okay, this one, and I'm going to make it align with my first video, and after that I'm going to apply blur effect. We can go to the effect and then I'm going to select video effect and we can search for blur. Okay, and then I'm just going to choose this effect. Okay, and to make it a super blur, you can increase the value like this. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the check mark and you can make this effect align with your video like this. Okay, and then I'm going to apply mask. We can tap on our second video and then go to the mask option. Wait, I'm going to select mask right here and choose the circle mask or the shape of the mask that you want to apply to your video. Okay, and then I'm going to invert the mask. Alright, and then to make the mask follow the moving object, we can use keyframe. You can go to the adjust menu and then you can click on this keyframe to make the mask follow the moving object. Wait, I'm going to go back to the mask guys. Okay, and then I'm going to adjust the position like this. We can use the keyframe and adjust it one by one until your face has been fully covered with this blur mask. Okay guys, you can do it until the rest of your video. Okay, I'm just going to make it faster. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, now it's done guys, and I'm going to show you the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to blur face in CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.